Hello everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a delightful seasonal treasure that's taking the fall decorating scene by storm. If you're looking to elevate your autumn decor, look no further than the Ywlake 12 PC's mixed assorted sizes artificial pumpkins. This stunning set is being hailed as the best plaid pumpkin decor available, perfect for creating that warm, inviting atmosphere we all crave during this time of year. These artificial pumpkins come in a variety of sizes and designs, featuring a charming black and white plaid pattern along with classic burlap accents. Made from dense foam, these pumpkins mimic the realistic look of real pumpkins without the hassle of upkeep. You won't have to worry about them wilting or rotting. Just beautiful, festive decor that lasts through the season. What really stands out about this set is its versatility. The pumpkins are designed with a blank surface that invites your creativity. You can paint them, add glitter, or even personalize them for special events like fall-themed weddings or Halloween parties. Imagine creating unique designs that reflect your personality and style. These pumpkins can be a fantastic canvas for your artistic expressions. From DIY fall centerpieces to charming porch displays, the possibilities are endless. Use them indoors as part of your living room decor, on your dining table, or even outside to enhance your garden or front porch. The Ywlake pumpkin set also brings a rustic farmhouse vibe to your home. With its warm, earthy colors, it fits seamlessly into various decor styles, from modern chic to classic country. Whether you're hosting Thanksgiving dinner or just want to embrace the cozy fall spirit, these pumpkins will surely impress your guests. One of the best features is their durability. Constructed from high-quality foam and featuring plastic-painted stems, these pumpkins are built to withstand the elements, making them suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. You can confidently decorate your garden or patio, knowing that they'll hold up beautifully throughout the season. And let's talk about convenience. These pumpkins are lightweight and easy to store. After the fall season ends, simply pack them away for next year. There's no mess, no fuss, just straightforward seasonal decorating. Overall, if you're in the market for a stylish, practical, and fun way to spruce up your home for the fall, the Ywlake artificial pumpkins are an excellent choice. They combine functionality with aesthetic appeal, ensuring that your home feels festive and inviting. So, whether you're hosting a festive gathering or simply want to enjoy the beautiful autumn season, the Ywlake 12 PC's mixed assorted sizes artificial pumpkins are a must-have. Head over to the link in the description to grab your set today and get ready to transform your space into a cozy fall haven. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews and decorating tips. Happy decorating, everyone!